we've fixed leaky suspension, we've fixed all the rust in it. She's cleaned, she's ready for MOT. Wish me luck, guys.
Oh yeah.
So I've just dropped it off for its MOT. Nail biting stuff. Let's see what happens, eh? She's home, and guess what? Clean bill of health. Well, apart from an oil leak. But hey, we'll get over that. Also, the guy at the garage had a rather nice old Ford Cortina that he's restoring. If that's something you'd be interested in seeing, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, that's it today, just a short video welcoming the old girl back. If you have been, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.